friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Rosani, and by the title you can tell this is just gonna be a quick my quick makeup routine. My face is already done and it's flawless, if I do say so myself. This is like my bulletproof all day long wearing foundation routine. If you guys want to see what I do to my face, like my base, my contour, my blush, things like that, can we please get this video to like 25 likes, 25 likes, and then I'll show you guys my routine. But I always decide to come on here with foundation and stuff just because I feel like it speeds up the process. I want to show you how I do my brows, how I finish my eye, do my lash, and my lip. It should be very, very quick. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get started. So this is my favorite bronzer at the moment. It's the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Golden. It's a beautiful bronzer, not too warm or cool. And this is just to warm up and bring some color to the perimeters of my face. I also like to use this as my first eyeshadow color, which you guys will see in right now. This is the first shadow I like to use. And if I'm in a rush, I'll literally just do this, pop on mascara or lashes, and keep it moving. It serves as a really natural background color. So this second color is like a really pretty corally peach. It's called Positivity, and this is from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, I believe. I'm placing it right under the transition color, which is the bronzer. It's gorgeous for the summer. It's like just enough color, but not too much. And again, this is going like right under where the bronzer is. So after the corally color, this is just going back in with the Dark Golden Mineralized Skin Finish, that bronzer. This way I have a nice balance of transition color and crease color. And now for one of my favorite parts of makeup, which is eyebrows. This is the Brow Micro Filling Pen from Benefit in the shade Deep Brown. I'm obsessed with this product. I've been using this and only this on my brows for the past year. Before I fill them in though, I do use a clear brow gel, also from Benefit, just to lay down my hairs. And it gives me like a brow soap effect, which I love. I clean them up with concealer and then I use this pen. You guys saw, this is like a 3-stroke type of pen, which gives you those really natural hair-like strokes. Obsessed. You guys have to try. Alright, so one brow is done, the other one is still in process. This is actually my favorite brow. Well, at least from this video, this is my favorite brow. And I was debating whether I keep this clip in or not. I'll keep it in because I really want you guys to see how this product performs. It's phenomenal. You can use it obviously however you want, whether it's to draw the hair like strokes or kind of like I just did, drawing like a line on the bottom. It's so nice. And it lasts a really long time. I'm finally getting around to dusting off this baking powder that I had at the beginning of the video, and simply that's just to clean up my bronzer, blush, contour area, as well as my nose, just so everything is nice and clean. This right here is the same shadows that I used on the top for the bottom, so the eyeshadow look can look really complete and done. So quick little eyelash tutorial. I place my lashes initially with my finger and then I go in with the tweezer. Do this at your own risk. I've been doing this for years now, so I'm used to it. But yeah, so I adjust each corner, and as you can see, my eyes are open the entire time. Do not close your eyes when you're putting on lashes. You want to keep them open and kind of look down at a mirror so the eyelid space is nice and smooth. And this is the eyelash trick or test. You want to close your eyes and make sure that they're not bunched up. Keep on adjusting them, keep on, tweaking them, outer corner, inner corner, making sure nothing is poking you and everything feels pretty comfortable. So same thing on the other eye. So again, I'm leaving this clip in so you can see. This is the only time you really close your eyes to make sure that the lash is not wonky, because it can look like it's on. However, if you look down, you can tell that it's not placed well. Then you want to make sure you use mascara, of course, but not on the falsies. Only mascara from the root of your natural lash up until your natural lash pretty much ends. This way it looks fuller, darker, and the falsies and your real lashes can meet. As of lately, I've been obsessed with this eyeliner and I've been selling it to everybody at work. This eyeliner is gorgeous. It's called Teddy. It's like a bronzy brown, so you still get that sultry effect and that like nice dark eyeliner look without it actually being black, because sometimes black is just too harsh of a contrast. It's just too harsh, and Teddy is something that you can feel comfortable and it's subtle enough for daytime. I know it sounds like I'm being biased. Obviously, I work for the company, but if there's one thing that you will buy from this video, it has to be this mascara. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. It's the best. Literally, I've been using this since before I worked for MAC. It really elongates all of your lashes. Just get it. Okay, just go ahead and get it. Now it's time for lips. This is the KKW lip liner, I believe in Iconic Nude or Classic Kim. I'll include everything down below. Make sure you take your time with your lip liner and you get the corners and everything. Take your time with your lip pencil. I'm just going over that first lip liner shade just because I wasn't really feeling that shade of nude. So I'm going in with something that's kind of like a brownie type of liner. And again, making sure I do not miss the corners. Having disposable lip wands or even a lip brush is going to become one of your best friends when it comes to doing your lipstick, because this way you can actually marry the two products, the lip pencil and the lipstick. This way you don't look all chongalicious or like back in the 90s. If that's your preference, by all means, but this is awesome to have like a seamless nude ombre type of lip. Another really bomb product that if you were to take anything away from this video and actually purchase it is this setting spray. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Setting Spray is bomb. Your makeup will not move at all. just like that, we are pretty much done. This feels bomb, by the way, once your lash glue has fully dried, making sure the lashes are secured. But yeah, we're pretty much done. I added a little bit of lip gloss, and yeah, I appreciate you so much if you stuck around till the end. You already know the drill. Please do consider subscribing if you like my content. Give this video a thumbs up and share it, as well as subscribe. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but yeah, thank you all so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. And